In front of me is Realme 12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then tap on Privacy over here and tap on Permission Manager. Finally, select one of those options that you wish to manage, like Location, and pick an app, like Booking. Lastly, select the perfect option for you and click on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my app just gained access to this device's location if I'm using it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!